Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot association labels. This feature allows you to create specific relationship types between your deals and other objects like companies or contacts, giving you much more organized and meaningful data connections in your CRM. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign in to your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to follow along. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all CRM activities. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon in the main navigation bar. Click on this gear icon to access the settings menu. This is where all the configuration and customization options for your HubSpot account live, including the powerful association label settings we're about to explore. In the left sidebar, you'll need to navigate to the Data Management tab. Under this tab, click on Objects to expand the menu. From the options that appear, look for and select Deals. This takes you directly to where you can manage how your deals relate to other records in your system. Once you're in the Deals menu, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see several menu tabs. Click on the Associations tab. This is the control center for defining how deals connect to companies, contacts, and other objects in your CRM. On the right side of your screen, locate and click on the Create and Configure button. A drop-down menu will appear with options. From this menu, select Create and Configure Label Limits. This opens up the settings where you can define custom association types that go beyond the basic deal-to-company relationship. A right side panel will slide into view. Here's where you configure your association label. Click on the drop-down menu to select which object you're associating with your deals. You'll also need to decide how many labels you need and set an internal name for each option. You can choose either a single label or create labels by pair depending on how you want to define the relationship from both directions. Once you've made your selections, click Next at the bottom right of your screen. On the next screen, configure the number of records that can be associated from deals to companies and vice versa. This step lets you control whether it's a one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many relationship. After you've configured everything according to your needs, click Create to finalize your association label setup. Your association labels are now active and ready to use across your HubSpot account, making your deal relationships much more specific and meaningful. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.